Welcome to our class, children. Today we'll see locating square root of 3.5 on the number line. Let us assume here 0 to 10 is 1 unit, 10 to 20 is second unit, 20 to 30 is third unit. So this 0.5 will take 30 to 35. So we have to draw the line from 0 to, in my scale, from 0 to 35. So this is first unit, second unit, third unit. This is point off. So I will name it A and B. The full length is 3.5 units. Next, 1 unit extra you must take from B. 1 unit in the sense from 0 to 10. One more unit I am going to take extra. This point I am locating as C. Now, AC you take a midpoint. How to take the midpoint of a line? Take more than half of this AC line. Draw a arc above and same measurement draw a arc down. The same measurement you have to keep it on C. Try to cut the arc. So if it is not meeting, extend this arc till it will meet here. So join this two lines. Now we got the midpoint of AC. The midpoint is O. OA as center. OA as center. Draw a semicircle. Now keep it on B 90 degree perpendicular to B. You have to take a line. Take 90 degree. Join this 2 point. This point has to be drawn till the semicircle. It should not come till here. Till the semicircle, draw this. Now extend this line. Here I am going to take a point D. B and D take as center. B as center. BD as radius. Draw a semicircle once again. From here, one more semicircle you are going to draw. This is called 3.5. Square root of 3.5. This point is called square root of 3.5 on the number line. Same like this, you have to draw square root of 9.3. Locate on the number line. Same way you have to do it. This is your homework or assignment. See, conjugates. Square root of 5. Conjugates is only square root of 5. Now square root of 3 plus 1. Conjugate is square root of 3 minus 1. We have to change the sign only here. Square root of 7 plus square root of 5. The conjugate is square root of 7 minus square root of 5. Square root of 6 minus 1. The conjugate is square root of 6 plus 1. Next, square root of 9 minus 7. Conjugate is square root of 9 minus 7 only. Y minus means this all the values it is there in only one square root. Actually the value of this is equal to only square root of 2. But this cannot be minus. You cannot be added this as it is. So this belongs to only one number. That's why the conjugate will be the same number. Next example, square root of 6 plus 1. The conjugate is square root of 6 plus 1 only. Because 6 plus 1 is square root of 7. Square root of 7. The same number we have here. So same number means, see here same number. The conjugate is same number only. When we have like this separate number, square root of number and square root of number, when we have like this separately, that time only you have to change the sign. The next example, square root of 6 minus 5. What is the conjugate of this? Square root of 6 minus 5 only. Because square root of 6 minus 5, the value is square root of 1. Square root of 1 also it is meaning of 1. These conjugates will be used in rationalizing the denominator in the example sums. Now for example, 1 divided by square root of 7. What is numerator here? 1 is numerator. Square root of 7 is denominator. But see the square root of 7 is in form of irrational number. So this irrational number only we are going to change as rational number. So it is there in denominator. That's why the question is rationalize the denominator. That means square root of number we should not write in the denominator. So 1 divided by square root of 7. The square root of 7, it should not be here means we have to multiply and divide with the same number. So we have numerator and numerator. 1 into square root of 7 will get square root of 7. Here in denominator, square root of 7 into square root of 7. So square root of 7 we have 2 times. That's why square root of 7 the whole square. This means square root of 7 you have to multiply by 2 times. So square root of 7 into 7, 49. Square root of 49, the value is 7. Square root of 7, in numerator we have square root of 7. In the denominator we have square root of 7. The whole square is only 7. 7 is not in a irrational number. It is in rational number or whole number or natural number. 1 divided by square root of 7 minus square root of 6. For this number, conjugate is square root of 7 plus square root of 6. We have the formula a minus b into a plus b equal a square minus b square. So, now 1 divided by square root of 7 minus square root of 6. For this, we have to multiply with conjugate numerator divided by conjugate denominator. So, square root of 7 plus square root of 6 divided by square root of 7 plus square root of 6. Then, we have to multiply numerator and numerator. 1 into any number, same number will get. Divided by, here, a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Here, a place we have square root of 7. In b place we have square root of 6. So a square means square root of 7 the whole square minus b square means square root of 6 the whole square. So here square root of 2 and square can cancel easily because square root of 7 the whole square equal to square root of 7 into square root of 7 equal to square root of 49. Square root of 49 the value is 7. So simple method I told this square and square root can be cancelled easy method. So it is equal to numerator what we have square root of 7 plus square root of 6 divided by here we have 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6, the value is 1. Numerator, we have square root of 7 plus square root of 6. So, any number divided by 1 also, the value will be the same number. So, square root of 7 plus square root of 6 is our answer. The denominator, we add here in the question irrational numbers. But you see in the answer, we don't have any denominator, that is meaning of 1. 1 also is, it will be the same number, the numerator. That's why numerator only we got the answer. We rationalized now the denominator.